Hi folks, my name is Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. People call me Coach. Today we're looking at a 2019 Four Winds 22B motorhome, Class C motorhome. Let's go inside and take a look around. This is a great little short coach. Let me get the light on here. Corner bathroom, get quite a bit of room in here. Nice size shower. I'm going to get that fan off. And right next to that is our bedroom. As you see, this is a folding mattress, very comfortable, but this gives you a slide. It's a very short coach, but it gives you a walk-around bed, got windows on both sides, nice fresh air, window in the back, got a closet right here. It's got access from either side, storage door here, storage here. Awesome little short coach. We had a lot of interest in a short coach with a walk-around bed. Access to that closet from the other side. Nice dinette with a big table. Got microwave, 3-burner cooktop with a cover, and an oven. Plenty of storage drawers here. One big stainless steel sink. More storage up above. Spray nozzle here. As we turn around, I'm going to switch places. We've got more storage up above. A ton of storage for a short coach. Up here we've got more sleeping. Window on one side. Look at the size of this TV. TV's as big as the coach. Got our control panel right here. Check all the fluids. You've got electric mirrors, and you've got heated mirrors. Nice cockpit area, not a big step down, which is really nice. We've got a little room to get in and out. We've got side view cameras and backup camera on this coach. Electric awning, there are LED lights up above. As you move back on the coach, you've got a big TV right here, storage down below. Great little coach. We're tight packed in here today at the show. So we're not going to walk around the back side, but it's got everything you need to go camping. It's a great little coach. It's outfitted really well. For a 22-foot coach, it's probably 24-foot overall, but short coach with a lot to offer. If you have any questions about this coach or any other, please give me a call. Ask for a coach, 208-250-8625. Thanks a lot and have a great day.